house, wants some dinners on a Sunday. First I have to scrape old chili off the sides of the microwave. You know I like to walk my bloodthirsty dogs late at night after 13 beers, 5 shots, and a swift ass kicking. Cause when I ride my monster mutter down, whoop it up at the deuce, you know I feel just like a pig in shit. And when I hear my tires humming, it's the sound of ecstasy. You know I feel just like a pig in shit. Bought all the bodacious bull collector items in town, then treated myself to the biggest belt buckle ever pounded out on God's whole earth. You know I like to shove about 20 pounds of Copenhagen between my cheek and gum, and I never spit, cause I'm just that kind of guy. Cause when I ride my monster mutter down to whoop it up at the deuce, you know I feel just like a pig in shit. And when I hear my tires humming, it's the sound of ecstasy. You know I feel just like a pig in shit.